Last week, I told you KwaaiNet had been down for all of July because our key services were hosted by Intel. And Intel, as you know, if you're watching tech news, is going through an implosion, a very sad implosion of an iconic brand. And I really hope they don't go the way of Xerox and Kodak and all of those iconic brands that we grew up with. But they're going through tough times. The Intel cloud is down, and so that took down KwaaiNet. So we had to take matters into our own hand. KwaaiNet's back up. And as of this morning, there are only 2 nodes. You can become a node. You can spin up a node. Go to Kwaai.ai and go and have a look at the instructions on the KwaaiNet page. And you can see how to download the Docker container and run it up, and you'll appear on the map. And so you'll be contributing to a peer-to-peer fabric. What does that peer-to-peer fabric do? Well, if you were to go to the Kwaai page here, you will see a splainer video. And it was my voice initially narrating it, but it came over as like a tired old professor mansplaining it. So I invoked AI. I said, here's the script. And now it's a lovely female voice. Go play this video. It's right on our homepage, under 5 minutes.